What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be getting the front bumper on our WJ here. I got started taking this bumper off. I just want to go through and show you how to rip this bumper off first, so you're not worried about it like I was. But here on the bottom of the bumper there was 3 plastic pop rivets. I kind of just ripped them out. I don't plan on putting this back on, so just ripped that out. Up here in the grill, I believe there's 5 fillet head screws. There's 2 on the top, I believe, and then they're in and around. You'll see them on the edge. And then there's also 3 more plastic pop rivets on each side. And then there's a 3/8 inch bolt right here that you have to get up. It goes up through here into the frame. 3/8 bolt. Okay, so I got that off. Got everything off. Keep your grill. Don't break that. You're going to need that back on. But that's it for now, and I'll get back to you. Hey guys, what's going on? It's Cam with Affordable Offroad back with you today. We're going to keep going on this WJ install. Now, after you get your front bumper removed, this is the next step you have to do. So, in order for our bumper to fit, you actually have to trim this body panel out here just a little bit so the brackets can slide in there and sit flush. They actually mount right here on the bottom of this frame here. So we're just going to trim this out. I have it marked out. We're going to trim it out and then go from there. Okay, so I got this cut out. Now all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my belt sander here and I'm just going to clean up the burrs along the edge just to clean it up so everything fits nice and flush and you're not cutting yourself on the burrs. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I finished cutting out the front of my WJ here. You can see I went all the way as far as I could go to the inside here, and you're gonna have to make sure that you do that so everything slides in and lines up right. But you can see I went all the way to the frame, the inside of the frame, across the bottom flush. Open that up. All that really matters is the inside. You don't have to worry about the rest of it. It's just the inside on both of them. Clean them up. And then what I did, there's also a little lip on the underneath of this bracket. There's a lip that runs this pinch seam here. All you have to do is just beat that up a little bit just so everything slides over it, doesn't catch. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, also the 2 holes where you actually mount the bumper through, they need to be drilled out to a 1/2 inch. They're just a little bit small, so just run a 1/2 inch drill bit up through them. And then your bumper slide right on there. So I'll go ahead and do that. I'm going to get the side view of me. You can see here, this is the top of the bracket. This is where the bolt's actually going to bolt onto, and then this is the bottom, and this squeezes down together onto the frame. Should slide in there nice. You just get your 2 bolts started. Okay guys, so we got our WJ bumper put on here. This is a pretty simple bumper to put on. Like I said, it's just the 4 bolts that go up through the bottom that tighten the center down onto the frame, and then there's just 3 1-inch 3/4 bolts on the inside of these wings. They're a little hard to get, a little tricky to get your hand in there, but you gotta do what you gotta do to get in there. But it looks pretty good. only thing I had to do was trim the inner fender. So I just cut that off flush with the bottom of the bumper, and then I actually put a self-tapping screw in here in one of these tabs to keep the fender from wiggling around there. You can trim it up to your preference, but... And then I went ahead and put our bull bar on. Like a pretty straightforward with these also. Just, you know, your 6 bolts you gotta tighten up on the inside. There it is. Thanks for watching.